Good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. And we are on the island of Gotland in the city of Visby. And they are famous for their medieval town. And supposedly they have their annual medieval festival going on. And so we are walking into Old Town, and we're going to see what this festival is all about. The walk into the Old Town was beautiful. Well, we've arrived at the outskirts of the old city, on the outside of the wall. So now we're in the old city. And so far the crowds aren't near what I thought they would be. But then we may not be at the gathering spot. The history of Visby goes back to 900 AD, but in the 12th century the Visby Cathedral dedicated to St. Mary was constructed, and it was officially opened in 1225. The main altarpiece of the cathedral was installed in 1905. It is in the Gothic Revival style, displaying the Adoration of the Magi in the center panel, flanked by depictions of St. Nicholas, Catherine of Vadstena, and Bridget of Sweden, and St. Olaf. So this is the Visby Cathedral. It started out as a Catholic church, and then after the Reformation it became part of the Church of Sweden. Beautiful outside and fairly nice inside, and we got to hear a little bit of the church choir practicing, which was nice. The old town of Visby is a fascinating place to walk through. Lots of old stone walls. Here you see little statues of rams, of sheep. And I'm not quite sure why they're there, but they seem to be in a lot of places. I'm assuming it's because wool was an important part of their economic structure. Almost everybody dresses up for the medieval festival, including this guy here. Check out his shoes. They are some interesting shoes that definitely came from the medieval period. This is one of the beautiful little side streets we strolled down. Once we got inside the festival, we went to the main attraction, which was right here, and apparently they were having an archery contest. And so I'm just going to let this kind of run through, and you can see for yourself what's going on.
Det kan vara idé att dra sig lite längre hit mot mitten av läktaren, eller kanske lite längre ändå, för att vi kommer skjuta ganska mycket upp mot den där vita väggen där borta. Ja, det ramlar plattor och då springer landets lag framför det värnet de just har fällt. Och så tar man nästa. Och nu ser ni, de är 3 skyttar, men det är 4 plattor som man får ladda om när man väl har träffat sin platta. Och så springs det på båda sidor, de ligger väldigt lika nu. Och nu är staden lite före här, men landet är snabba i fatt. Ja, bra. Och så springer de bort. Armborstskytten där joggar fram och ställer upp sig för att skjuta ner sin lilla platta innan det är dags att träffa kungen. Och där vann landets lag. Jag sa ju att man vara säker. Varsågod.
The competition was all in fun, and it was really kind of enjoyable to watch these people try and outshoot each other. This was one of the children's rides that you could put your kids in. I think it was a mobile jail. You want that too?
Are those for real?
Yes.
You get one right here and now, couldn't I?
Right here and there?
Nästan ingenting. How's the evening party?
Besides contests of skill, the festival also provided a place to buy and sell souvenirs from the medieval time period, and lots of food. We really enjoyed the lots of food they had.
Can you smaka? Do you want to taste the roasted almonds? Thank you.
Smells good.
Delicious.
They are. Music and dance was also part of the attractions and the entertainment. Here was some more food. Those were stuffed boars that are sitting right there. They were kind of falling apart. Their ears had deteriorated, but they're still fun to watch. This was a medieval festival, but it wasn't restricted to just European area. There was also some entertainment from Asia and the Middle East areas. There was also music from my ancestral home, Scotland.
Vendors that are here.
Work on the city wall that rings the city began in the 12th century, around 1300. It was rebuilt to reach its current height, acquiring the characteristic towers, although some towers were not constructed until the 15th century. The ring wall or city wall is still largely intact in its original condition. And from the top of the tower, you get a really good view of the city, and back in the old days, a great view of anyone wanting to attack your city. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.